In today's video, we will see next set of DAX function. Today we will see count family, count a, COUNTX, COUNTBLANK, COUNTROWS, COUNTX. Sorry, this is COUNTAX. So this is the function we will see in this video. So COUNTBLANK is like it will count only the blank values. COUNTROWS will be it will count the total rows specified in that table. COUNTX will be it will count the number of rows based on our condition. So count and count A are similar. Count A, it will count the number of rows in the specified column. Same like count A also count the number of rows in the specified column, but the difference is it does not support Boolean values. Like true or false values, it will not count. Count A, it will count the supports Boolean values also. So let's see in practicals. So I have one sample sales data table, order ID integer, customer name string, order quantity integer, city string, amount is double. So this is the field name and this is the data type. So this is the data. It's like sample 5 data. So let's create our measures. Already I created one. So I just delete that measure and recreate for this video. Recreate for this measure. First I will start with count. So it just count the okay, let's take order ID. So it will count the order ID. So total we have only 5 data. So it's showing correct. Next I will go with count blank. So again go to new measure. Count blank. Count. We have only one blank values in the table. So let's see. And that we can take customer name. So next will be count blank. So we have only one blank value, so it is showing correctly. So count and count blanks are over. Now I will take count rows. New measure. So it will count the total rows in the table. We have to give sales data. So same, it will return 5. So in real scenario, it will be different. Count rows. Next we will go with count A. So this function return 4 rows for the city column. Let's see. Count A. Sales data. City. So count A. 4 rows. Okay, let me add one more row. Like copy this. This will be 5. This will be 6. So instead of second customer name will be A, and order quantity quantity for so integer we will give here. We have to add the data type also. So let's see, keep it as a new column P/F comma boolean comma. So we have to add here also. Just copy. Inside that curly bracket, we have to mention the Okay, now count A will return 5. We have to mention TF. Okay, let's see. So total count will be 6. Count black, only one black in that column. For count A measure, we have to mention TF. So now it will show 6. We have, so it will count the all type of values. Count A, text, number, like that. So what is remaining? COUNTX. Okay, next we will go to new measure, COUNTX. COUNTX equal to, it's a numeric iterator count function. So COUNTX times data order quantity. It will count the order quantity. So just packet we have receiving 5. So go to the table, order quantity 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 5 orders only. One order is blank, so it's showing correct. Next, count AX. Now we move to the next measure, count AX. Count new measure, count AX equal to count AX. Table should be means data expression. We have to mention one expression, like I am giving now if order quantity more than 3. Scenario, sorry, if the condition is true, it return 1. So it will count the how many 1 in this table. So if order quantity greater than 3 only, if the condition is true, return 1, else 0. Okay, so it will count based on this condition only. So let's see how many orders we have more than 3. So it will return 1. So that value count as values. So count AX, we have 6. So all the 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see. Let's remove the false value. Okay, now it is working fine. So only 2 values, 2 order quantities more than 3. So it calculating correctly. So this is the count family part in aggregate DAX function. So if the video found useful, please do subscribe and support my channel. Stay tuned for the next set of video. Thank you.